Ever been intrigued by how to link your Excel data sources with the Power BI tool? This connection can open up a whole new world of data analysis and visualization. We have to check the given precondition, required test data, and follow below steps with corresponding expected result. Precondition 1: access to a valid data source. 2: Power BI desktop is open. Test data sample data source, for example, Excel file. Step 1: open Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop should be open. Step 2: in Power BI desktop, navigate to Get Data and click on the Get Data button. Folder should be open to select the data set. Step 3: choose a data source. For example, Excel, CSV, SQL Server. Folder is displayed to select the data set. Step 4: provide necessary credentials or information to connect to the selected data source. Click on Load the data. Step 5: load the data into Power BI. Dataset should be loaded. Step 6: drag and drop a table visualization onto the canvas. From visualization, select the table option. Table should be displayed on the canvas. Step 7: add a field to the table. Dataset field is displayed on the right side. Select the field to add in the table and can also apply filters to the table. Please share your thoughts in below comment section.